what's up guys? Good afternoon, happy Sunday wherever you may be in the world. This afternoon today I decide we're going to do some barbecue, but we never know the rain was going to fall, and the rain is falling outside like crazy. But my crazy next door neighbor decide we have to do the barbecue. So as you can see, I'm by her house making the chicken satay. So we're using chicken thighs today. I already cut up some. This is how it looks. So I just cut off the fat. I don't cut off all the fat from the chicken thigh, guys. I leave some of the fat so when it go on the grill it can cook it nice and juicy. And I just take my knife and I just cut it in cubes like this, you know, like so, like that. And that's about it for that. And then I come over this side now and I get me some white vinegar and I pour it over the chicken thigh and I wash it. You don't have to use white vinegar, you can use lemon also. As I say in every video that I make, you can use lemon or lime or Cibola orange, which one your choice, you can use it. And I just take my hand and massage all the vinegar in the chicken to cut the rawness from the chicken. Then I'm going to turn on this pipe and I'm going to wash this. Strain off the water. Breaking our base, so give it another wash. Until you see the water white and pretty. Then you know your chicken is finished to wash. Make sure you strain off all the water from the chicken, because you don't want, when you start to season it up, it have a lot of water in the bottom of the pan. You don't want that. Just like that. And then you put it there. And we're going to season it up. Let me wash my hands. Jesus, you love me too much. And then let me see what season she have. Oh, okay, Sarah, I think you have to go by my house for my favorite season. So let me use, for the time being, what she has. So we're going to use some chicken flavor Maggi, about 2 tablespoons. We're going to use also some of this all-purpose season. Note, this season is very salty, so you have to be careful whenever time you're using it. The sauce in it is ridiculous. The other night I did have it by my house, so my friend come and say she want the season to cook, so I give it to her. So I forgot to tell her it doesn't have no cover, and she make one throw inside the pot. Yes. Lord. And then I'm going to put some complete season inside it, and I'm going to rub it up.
Okay guys, I want to do it, so we're gonna put some complete season. Mommy's favorite seasoning. In there. And then I'm going to put some garlic powder and their full season. And yeah, I love to help around in the kitchen. It's my favorite thing to do.
That's your only favorite thing to do. Then you just go in with a clean hands and you just mix everything together. Incorporate everything together. It's a bit more complete season, so I'm going to add a little bit more, about a tablespoon more to it. And then I'm going to get some sticks. You can soak your sticks in water before you use them, so when they go on the grill they doesn't burn. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rinse them off like so. Just rinse them off. And then I just take one stick and I push it up like so. Like that. Look at that, guys. Like so, like that. And I'm just going to repeat the process until I finish.
I will put it in fast forward now. And I edit it. I will still put it on. I can talk because when I put fast forward it, I put the music loud.
Don't put the music on.
Why? You want them to hear what we sing?
Because it doesn't sound good. Jesus, you love me too much. See that, guys? Look at this. Yep. Almost finished. One more and I'm done. I like this, guys. I like chicken satay with peanut butter sauce. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guilty pleasures. Okay, so I finished with that. And they're looking beautiful. Where shall I just put okay, guys, so the grill has just eaten because Miss Shelly did a catchy grill so long and she can't catch fire, and I try to catch fire. So we have to pack up all I coal and for one another to light this grill. So here we have the chicken satay, so we're just going to place them like so on the grill. You know, just like that. And we're going to leave one side cook, and then we're going to flip it to the other side. Okay, guys, so it's time for me to turn them. Look at that. Look how beautiful these looking. You have to wait until the chicken release itself from the grill. So if you see you're trying to turn the chicken and it's not pulling up, leave it alone, guys, and let it do its thing by itself, because the chicken will eventually tell you when it's time for it to pull off the grill. Look how beautiful they looking. Yeah, chicken satay stick, as the St. Martin now. Okay guys, so as you can see, some of the chicken is finished already, so I'm just going to take it from off the grill. You see that? And place it inside the pan over there and leave the rest to cook. Okay guys, look, my chicken satay is finished. Yes, just take them off the grill, and now I'm going to add my peanut butter sauce to it. Beautiful, right? Yeah, only at Shakima at home.
No.
Okay guys, so we just finished our satay sticks with some pressed plantain and some green salad that Shelly made, and we have some peanut butter sauce here. So we're just going to put the sauce on top of our satay stick. Look at that guys, look how beautiful that is, just like that. And there you go, our delicious satay dish. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, to comment, to hit that notification bell for all our newest video, and to comment below. And remember to put God first in everything you do. We out guys.